What's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to our channel. So we are still on Bannerghatta Road, and as promised we are going around and showing you the best PGs and student accommodations around the BGR campus of Christ University. And today, right now, we are outside Your Space Boys Hostel.
Guys, Your Space is a very well recognized brand all across the country. They have student accommodations across, and at the same time, even around Christ University Bannerghatta Road campus, they are very well known. They have a lot of properties here, and today we will be touring the boys and the girls property. Make sure you watch this video till the very end because we are going to be covering each and everything from all the varieties of rooms, their costs, facilities, all of that. Right now, as you can see, we are outside the boys hostel. But before we take the tour of the boys hostel, let's go to the girls hostel. Come guys, let's go. Hi ma'am, come.
Hi Kavach. Hi.
So guys, we are outside the girls hostel of Your Space, and we are with Neha ma'am, who's the head of properties for Your Space around Bannerghatta. Ma'am, thank you so much for allowing us to take a tour of the
Welcome to Your
property.
Space. Kavach, welcome to Your Space. Family, it's your home. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, we'll start taking a tour of the
Yeah,
room.
sure, definitely. Come. So we are just going upstairs to show you the single occupancy room. Come. So guys, now we are going to see the single sharing room.
Okay, guys, so this is their single sharing room. Starting with first, there is a bed. They have a huge cupboard right here, along with a mirror. On this side is a kitchenette, which is a small kitchen area where you can store your kitchen items or food, and you can even make small things if wanted. They also provide you with a refrigerator if you want to keep anything overnight and not let it spoil. So this should be good. Another thing about this room is the television, which is not very common in a single sharing or a single person room. Moving on, this is their bathroom, and like I said, everything here is pretty spacious. There is a wash basin along with a mirror and a toothbrush holder. There is a shower and a geyser, so you can have hot water whenever you want it and however you want it. And then there is a WC, of course. Though this is a pretty spacious bathroom in comparison to a lot of other bathrooms. And of course, the beautiful mirror and beautiful mirror.
Yeah, Pavni, come. So this is our joint sharing room, double occupancy. Come.
So guys, this is their double occupancy room. I don't know if you noticed it in the single sharing or not. They have amazing wallpapers that give a very rustic, wooden, very solo feel. So again, they do have a television in this room as well. But along with it, they have a lot of storage. But that's not all when it comes to storage. They also have storage right on the side of the bed, which is a whole lot of storage. Now, just like the single sharing room, they also have a kitchenette here with a refrigerator, a wash basin, a lot of storage. And of course, if you have extra luggages and everything, you can store them on top of your cupboard or on top of your kitchen area. There is a lot of space and a lot of storage here. And again, a beautiful mirror and beautiful view. So we have a WC, some place to keep your toiletries, a shower, your geyser, a mirror and the wash basin. It looks very neat and very beautiful. So guys, again to my favorite part of the room. It's the balcony, and it's so airy today because of course it was raining. It is still raining a little. But this is so good, like having a balcony in your room in a student accommodation, that hardly happens. So guys, now we are going to see their other twin sharing, which is other because it is an apartment sized twin sharing. So let's go and have a look. Oh wow! So when they said apartment sized, I didn't know this is what they meant. So guys, here they have a lounger along with a table, and then there's the TV right in front of you. It's so good and spacious. There's one study table outside, and there is of course the refrigerator, the small kitchen area, and the beautiful balcony. It was just raining like 5 minutes before, and now it's sunny. So this is what Bangalore is. Continuing the tour. Now let's have a look in the room. So as it is a twin sharing room, of course there are 2 beds. There's a huge side table, and so you can keep things in the drawers. There's another study table inside. One was the one that we saw outside. A lot of space to keep clothes. A huge mirror to look at yourself. Who doesn't right before college? Overall, it's a very, very spacious 1 BHK. So the last part of this room is the washroom. Here it is. Just like the other washrooms, we have a wash basin, a WC, a shower, and a geyser.
Okay, so guys, now we are at the recreational area which we are going to use for multiple purpose. Come. So this is our common sitting area, and we are serving food as well here.
Wow. So this looks very nice, guys. First of all, you have a coffee machine, a microwave, and a toaster that is provided. At the same time, this is the washing area. So you all can wash your clothes here. Plus, these are the rods where you can hang the clothes for drying purposes. There's a good, beautiful sunlight coming right now.
Guys, considering this is a beautiful terrace with a lot of air, it is half open, but you can anyways sit and eat your food under the shade. Even if it's raining, it is just as beautiful as it is. Yeah? Coming to the food that they have, so as you can see, they have it arranged in like a buffet system. Ma'am, what meals do you serve here?
So Paki, we are serving like North Indian food. We have South Indian, Italian, Chinese.
So there's Italian and
exactly.
Chinese as well.
Yeah, right. So we are changing the food weekly basis. Yeah.
And how many meals do you provide?
4 meals, your breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner every day.
Oh.
Guys, we are outside of the boys' hostel at Your Space. We are finally back here. Both the girls and the boys' property for Your Space is just 7 minutes away from Christ University Bannerghatta Campus. Come, let's check this out.
Okay guys, now we are going to see the premium twin sharing room.
Okay guys, so right now I'm inside the premium double sharing room. This room is going to be shared by 2 boys. They have 2 beds and they look very, very spacious. And then there is a window with a very nice view outside. So really very good for ventilation. A very good part that I've seen is that they have first of all the bedside tables. So you can charge your phone here and keep it, which is very important. Plus they have bookshelves on both the sides. So one on this side and the other on the other side. So that's a very good thing. Cupboards here. Yes. So this is a full-fledged cupboard that you can see. Wow, this looks very, very nice. Another very good thing that I've seen is that there is shoe rack or space beneath the cupboards. So you can keep your shoes here. Plus at the same time guys, both these beds are hydraulic, which means you can store your things, all the things that you don't want or don't need it immediately under the bed itself. Along with that, there are study tables that are going to be provided. So one study table here and the other there. Come, I'll give you a tour of the washroom. Okay guys, so this is the washroom. Looks very, very big. You have the WC here. Then there is a washing area here. And then there is a wash basin here. Really liking the huge space across. Very neat and tidy rooms. Plus like the woodwork and everything looks very, very modern. Guys, I'm on the second floor of the boys hostel at your space and I'm going to be touring room number 211. This is the budgeted double sharing room that they have. Come, let's check it out. Alright, so the budgeted sharing room has 2 beds. There is side shelves here on the top. They have a cupboard here as well as study tables, which is very good. At the same time, they have a good window which has a decent good view, plus more importantly ventilation. I'll give you a tour of the room, washroom. So guys, this is the washroom that they have. They have the WC here, the bathing area here, and the wash basin here. Looks very new, neat and tidy. Very, very good thing. Just in comparison from the premium to the budget, this has a little smaller space. Rest everything else is very much the same. Guys, I found a very unique spot, which is the mini balcony that they have. Come, I'll give you a tour of that.
It is super aesthetic.
In each of the floors, they have something like this, wherein you can just come here for little breathers in between.
And get good pictures clicked.
Yes.
Okay, so Kavach, now we are at the recreational area for the boys hostel. Now
Wow.
it's up to you.
Okay, this looks very, very good, guys, and very big, right? Yes. Okay, that side is the gym. I'll quickly give you a tour of the gym first. For all the fitness freaks at your space, this is going to be your home. They have all the modern equipment from treadmill to this jumbo machine, which I don't know the name of, but it looks very, very classy. At the same time, they have the dumbbells here and a couple of more machines at the back. Alright, so this is the washing area. So you have, as you can see, there are a lot of washing machines that are kept and they are all automatic, which is a very good thing.
So coming to the rest of the common area, first of all, just like the girls hostel, they also have a buffet system at the boys hostel. All the food that is given here is cooked at this very place. They also have a coffee machine, microwave, toaster, induction cooker, all of it right here for all the kids to use whenever they need to reheat food or make any tidbits for themselves. Now coming to the TT, they have an amazing TT table here for the kids who want to eat. But that is not it. While eating, you can also watch TV.
But this, like the whole mess area looks very nice with the TV and another very unique spot come. So just like the girls hostel, they have a dedicated terrace on the boys hostel as well. And it looks very, very good. By the way, just for information, that's the girls hostel that we just toured a couple of minutes ago. And this area is very, very nice. They've kept these chairs here for seating purposes, like for group seatings and all that. But rather, if I would be here, I would not use this chairs and I might as well want to sit here and just relax.
Just lie down and
yeah,
we can just play Ludo.
Right. Guys, the view from here also looks very nice. This is again Bannerghatta and wow, like this terrace is great. We are still here on the terrace of your space and I don't feel like leaving this because it's amazing. It's drizzling a little bit, but it looks very, very nice. But unfortunately, we are towards the end of our tour here at your space. Neha ma'am, thank you so much for allowing us to take a tour of the property. Neha ma'am, before we leave, like we have a couple of questions because a lot of people who will be watching this video would want to know about it.
So coming to our first question, what all facilities are included in the rent for this place?
Okay, Pavni, so before I'm telling you about the facilities which we have, I'll tell you. So basically your space stands on the 4 pillars which we have for the students specially. So it's your community, comfort, safety and your health, which is very important in terms of your space. So we are taking care of that part. So now if I'm come about the point facilities, so you will get like inclusive of your rent, you will get 4 meals every day on every 7 days, and then your Wi-Fi facility, electricity, your housekeeping, and in laundry we have 2 options. So you can do it by your own. We have fully automatic washing machines in common area as you have seen, and you can give up to 5 kg clothes in laundry as well.
Okay, that's inclusive in.
Yeah, that's all
wow.
inclusive.
That's
So everything almost covered in your room rent, and as you have already seen in rooms there are
Yeah, the TVs,
Yeah.
Wi-Fi, electricity.
Everything is there.
So everything is covered.
Right.
Ma'am, what about the rules and regulations?
So now I'm talking about the rules and regulations. We have proper CCTV surveillance, then we have 24/7 security guard, warden will be there. So in case if you have any problem, any concern, you can come to directly anytime, even at midnight also.
And ma'am, are there any deadlines?
Yeah, of course, because it's a hostel for students, so we are very much concerned about the security. So that's why we have curfew timings as well. So you have to be in the premises by like 9:30 or 10 o'clock max to max.
Okay.
And if you want to go outside at the late, so that time we need the confirmation from parents only. And this is just because for the security point of view.
Of course, of course. Now coming to the most awaited part, the cost structure.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. So what's
sure.
the cost?
Okay, so let's talk about the girls' hostel. So for girls, we have seen the single occupancy room. For that room, you have to pay 20,000. And now if I'm talking about the double sharing room, for that room you have to pay the 17,500 for the budgeted room.
Okay.
And in the 1 BHK apartment, which is premium, for that you have to pay 21,000 per person, which inclusive all of your things.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
great. And what about the boys' hostel, ma'am?
So for boys hostel, again we have 3 types of category. One is the comfort, which you have seen, again the smaller room. It costs you 14,000 per person. Then the premium room, it costs you the 16,000 per person, and the luxury one, which is the bigger room actually. So that costs you 18,000 per person. That's it.
Wow, that's great. And thank you so much for all this information. Guys, in the description of this video, I will put down all the details of your space, their website, even ma'am's number, so you can directly reach out to her in case if you have any queries. At the same time, if you're coming around Christ University Bannerghatta Campus, you yourself can take a tour of the property and look it for your own self, even though we've tried to cover each and everything possible here. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the very end. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.
And please hit the bell icon to get regular notifications of whenever we upload a video.
Yes guys, thank you so much guys. Bye bye, take care, bye.
Bye.